Hello everybody, welcome to a new DeversiFi tutorial. I'm back and today I'm going to show you how to cancel or speed up your MetaMask transactions. Let's get started. What I'm going to do here is send some Ethereum over and send it very slowly so that my transaction can get kind of stuck in a slow state. This often happens if you're trying to do a Uniswap transaction, but you just kind of get stuck and it never really goes through. So I'm going to try to emulate that right now. I'm going to send it to myself here. I already have my address copied. I'm going to send myself $10. Whoops, not 10, Ethereum. $10. And I am going to click the slow button to try to slow this transaction down. Hopefully it will get stuck. I'm going to go into advanced. And the gas price is currently 52 Gwei. I am going to type in maybe 45 Gwei. That should slow it down by a lot more. And let's go on ahead and save that transaction speed. And let's do next. Okay, now let's confirm this transaction. Alright, so we have sent that transaction over. I have not gotten a confirmation that has gone through instantaneously, so that is a good thing for the sake of this tutorial. Let's go over here to our activity panel, and you will be able to see that speed up button or that cancel button. If we click on the speed up button, it'll allow us to change the parameters right here, and we can even customize our gas. I can click on a fast transaction to speed it up and make it a little bit faster, or I can do an average one here. You can even go back into into advanced, and you can customize that Gwei. I remember earlier it was in the 50s, so I could probably bump this up to 55 and have it instantly go through. If I want to cancel the transaction, is very simple. There's no guarantee that the transaction may cancel. Sometimes the confirmation may go through before the cancellation goes through. So you need to be very careful when you are sending your transactions to make sure you don't have to try and cancel them. The only time you should be trying to cancel your Ethereum transaction generally is because it got stuck previously. For the sake of this video, I am fine with canceling that transaction here. So yeah, sure, let's just try to do that. And that is basically all you have to do here. From this point on, you just sit and wait for this cancellation to go through. If you want to speed up that cancellation, you can click on the transaction here. You can speed up this cancellation here, and that should be everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.